Hi there, this is Mr. Holbrow again with another video. This one is commission, being paid by commission. Commission, another way to be paid, is calculated as a percent of sales made. Straight commission means that earnings are based on commission alone. Salary plus commission means that commission is combined with a salary. Explore. You may have been offered a part-time job selling sporting goods. You can be paid minimum wage, salary plus commission, or straight commission. What questions should you ask to help you decide which way to be paid? Well, you could ask, how many hours a week will I get? How many hours a week will I get? You might ask, what is the commission rate? You may ask, what is the value of the goods I will be selling? If I'm getting paid by the hour, then the number of hours a week I work is very important because I get paid for every hour I work. If I get scheduled more hours, I can make more money. If I'm going to be paid by commission, I'm going to be really interested in how much the stuff is I'm selling. If I'm a car salesman, cars are worth a lot of money. So commission, that might be the way to go. I can get a lot of money from selling cars. If I'm selling stereo equipment, and maybe not so much, not as expensive. And if I'm selling clothes or shoes, well, that's even cheaper still. And because commission is a portion of what you're selling, the more expensive the items you're selling, the better commission looks. So let's look at an example. Josh works in a shoe store. She earns a salary of $240 a week plus 6% commission. One week, she sold $3,000 worth of shoes. Calculate her earnings for the week. Well, we're going to do this in a few steps. Step one, we're going to start by calculating her commission. So we want to calculate 6% of sales. So to calculate percent of anything, we simply multiply the percent. We multiply that by the sales, and then divide by 100. And we divide by 100 because this is in percent. Because of the percent. So 6 times 3 is 18. $180. Step 2. Calculate her total earnings. Well, her total earnings they're going to equal her commission plus her salary. Well, we know her commission was $180. We just calculated that. And her salary is $240. So 240 plus 180 is $420. Alright, now we're going to look at another example. In this example, Martha works part-time selling cosmetics. She is paid 30% of her sales. This is a straight commission job. Her sales each workday of 1 week are given below. Calculate her earnings for the week. Well, what we can do here is we can just calculate what her total sales are for the entire week and then just calculate 30% of that. So total sales equals 87 plus 76.50 plus 120.60 plus 60 plus 85.90. Total sales. Okay, so 87 plus 76.50 plus 120.60 plus 60 plus 85.90 equals, I get $430. Now, because I entered this into a calculator, I should always calculate it twice. So everything you calculate with a calculator, never trust your answer the first time. Always do it twice. And if you get the second answer the second time, you know that the first time you did it was right. If you get a different answer though in the second time, then calculate it a third time. And hopefully hopefully two of those three times will be the same. Because it's unlikely you'd make the same mistake more than once. And if you do get a different answer all three times, then that's an indication you should probably go to your teacher and have him help you out. Alright, now we've got our total sales. Now we can calculate earnings. So earnings, well, that's 30% times our sales divided by 100. Remember, we divide by 100 because it's percent, calculating percent. So 30 times 430 divided by 100. And that gives us $129.